welcome back to the channel. This week we're off to China and we're doing one of Britain's favourite dishes, sweet and sour chicken and a little bit of rice. It's very easy to make, I'm putting a little twist on it. Hope you enjoy it, see you soon. As always, ingredients are going to be listed in the bio. Start by dicing 300 grams of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add the chicken into a bowl and use half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it together and then set it aside to rest for 15 minutes. Next you're going to need to chop your veg. Traditionally it's red peppers, but to save food waste I use green and yellow peppers that I had in the fridge. Also chop an onion, that's supposed to be red, but I have white and I use that one. The sweet and sour sauce involves a mixture of 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of Chinese white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add it all into a bowl, mix it well and then save it for later. Before you create your batter mix, add the oil to a wok and get it really hot. For the batter, add flour, corn flour, baking powder, a whole egg and water into a bowl and mix it well. After this is mixed well, pour it over your chicken and head over to your wok to get started. Add your chicken into the hot wok and cook it until it's golden brown and crispy. Please make sure it's cooked all the way through and proper, as it's never a good idea to give your family salmonella. Once cooked, remove it from the wok onto a plate and then drain the excess oil with paper. Cook off the onions next, and then once cooked through, add your peppers and then cook them out too. After they've cooked out, add your chicken back into the wok, followed by your sweet and sour sauce, and add a small amount of honey. Finish off with some sesame seeds and serve it up with some white rice, and enjoy. Hello, welcome back. That's it, it's done. Sweet and sour chicken. A little bit of a twist on it. Rather than doing it just traditional, I put in some honey and some sesame seeds, and we're going to serve that up with some rice. And I'm not going to eat this with chopsticks because I can't use them. But Jack is going to try it. So come on, Jack, come along, have a bit of sweet and sour. Right. See what you reckon.
This is where I find out I'm awful with chopsticks. Okay.
Don't try and pick out the rice, that ain't gonna work. Cut. What do you reckon?
Really nice.
Yeah? Just like the chip shop. Oh, come on, look. Yeah, like that, like that. There you are, see? Easy. Yeah?
Bye-bye.
Okay, hope you enjoyed the making of this video, and I'll see you again next week for another one. Thanks for filming and your editing, Jack, and I'll see you all soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.